VIVREAL 4-in-1 Stud Finder. Are you worried about damaging your wall when doing some home DIY? VIVREAL 4-in-1 Stud Finder may help you solve the problems. It has 4 scanning modes, including Stud Mode, Deep Mode, Metal Scan, and AC Scan. It quickly finds the studs, even though they are hidden 1.5 inches behind the wall. To ensure your safety, in all modes, this wall scanner may detect and indicate the live AC wires. VIVREAL Stud Finder meets all your needs. Your first choice for the DIY homeowner. Power on the device and choose the scanning mode. Place the device flat on the wall, then place the device flat on the scanning surface. When the object is found, the device will beep continually and a PEC type will appear on the LCD display. VIVREAL, your flexible friend.
The ProSensor 710 Plus is the fastest, easiest, most accurate stud finder on the market. To operate, simply press and hold the button. Then, place it on the wall and go. There's no calibration procedure. You can instantly find studs. Once you have it on the wall, the LEDs show you right where the stud is. When you move the unit back and forth, the ProSensor 710 Plus continues to track the location of a stud, which makes it easy to instantly see the edges and the center of the stud. The ProSensor 710 Plus is the most accurate stud finder because it has more sensors. Other stud finders typically have only 1 or 2 sensors. The ProSensor 710 Plus has 13. It can find stud positions with unbeatable precision. With the 710 Plus, you can also see the full width of studs, which will help to identify wider objects such as 4x4s or double studs. The ProSensor 710 Plus also features a built-in bubble level and an integrated ruler to make it the perfect tool for many projects, ranging from hanging and leveling pictures to installing cabinets and flat-screen TVs. The ProSensor 710 Plus is made in the USA and is undoubtedly the best product of its kind. This stud finder will quickly become your favorite.
Bosch Measuring Tools is the worldwide leader in laser measuring and leveling technology, increasing productivity on the job site every day. This is the Bosch GMS 120 wall scanner that is used for interior detection of wood, metal, and electrical wires in floors and walls. The GMS 120 is a single tool that can detect and locate wood studs, metal objects, and electrical wiring in any wall or floor at up to 4 3/4 inch deep, depending on wall material type. To ensure worry-free accuracy, the GMS 120 self-calibrates once the tool begins detection and continuously self-calibrates during detection. The GMS 120 provides easy-to-view and understandable information. The large illumination ring changes color to green for no object found, orange for object near, red for object found within sensor range. The tool pinpoints the center of the object and has a convenient marking hole for leaving reference marks. The easy-to-view LED screen shows more detailed information, such as mode of operation, strength of signal, and type of material found. The GMS 120 comes with a belt pouch and battery. Experience the productivity of the GMS 120 wall scanner on your project.